man, with another video, man. Hope everybody taking care of themselves, man. Like I keep saying, man, health is wealth. You know what I'm talking about? Throughout this whole pandemic, take care of yourself, man. Wash your hands, wash your ass too. At the same time while you're washing your hands, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man. There's a will, there's a way, man. Every day above ground's a good day. Hey, I see you, nothing challenger. Every day is a good day, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing the legit way now, no more ski mask way. But beautiful day outside today, man. Like this is a thing that's been coming up for the past week and 2 weeks or so. But it's been raining due to the weather, so it's one that been coming together. But this is a little youngster out of Texas, man, coming up in the music world, whatever. So Juhani One Time is what his name is, man. He's doing a little video shoot today. So you know me, man. I'm gonna show my support. And anybody out there trying to do anything positive with their life, man, I'm showing my support. You guaranteed that. You know what I'm saying? Not just
in half a mile. Hey. Turn left on Camrock Drive.
Got my GPS on. But yeah, man, that's what's going on today. So I'm going out here to show my support towards him right now. But if you're not following your boy on Instagram, man, come on, follow me on Instagram, man. Drethehardway. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, because I'm going to all the rest of 2020. 2020 is almost over. It's almost gone. It's almost done. It's been a hell of a year, man. It definitely has been a pandemic in a year to definitely remember, man, to reflect on everything. But yeah, man, y'all do that for me, man. Go ahead. His name is Juhani One Time in the Instagram.
Turn left on Camrock Drive.
Go ahead and give him a follow, man. But yeah, man, y'all just be patient, man. Just stay with me throughout this thing right here, man. I'm trying to come back on in a minute, all right? Yeah, man, as y'all can see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Video shoot. My boy Juhani come right there in the tech course right there. You know what I'm talking about? A whole lot of... I got dust all over my car now, man. That's because of all this dirt gravel. Y'all can see, man. One time video shoot. I see what's going on. That's your boy. One time, got a finito. One time right there. One time out. We got a lot going on out here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Let me get this in before it get too dark. Yeah. All this cover right there. I'm gonna turn this thing back on, man, when we see what's going on real quick. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, this little photo, this little video shoot, Juhani One Time, man, he next up and coming artist out of Dallas, man. So y'all make sure y'all rock with him. You know what I'm saying? Shoot him his link. His will be in the description, man. Follow him on Instagram, Juhani One Time, man. Little youngster coming out of Dallas, man, coming up in the music world. He's actually got a good head on his shoulder, man. So that's, you know what I'm saying. I'm all for young black men trying to do something positive. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I can see it. But yeah, man, like I was saying, you know what I'm saying? I show support, man. You doing anything positive, man, aside what we got going on in our community, man, you know what I'm saying? As far as us as black men, period, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Yeah, too.
I see it, man. I usually don't do nighttime footage, man, but it was gonna be dark anyway, man, you know. By us being in Texas, you know, the time went back. Yeah. Time went back, man, so it gets dark. It get dark now at 5 o'clock, 5:30. So y'all see, man, we got, you know what I'm saying, we got a Challenger up there, right there. Mustang right here. You know what I'm saying? A couple BMWs out here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm the only moped out here. Well, except for the Challenger right there. I don't know what that is, a V6 or what. But he a little quiet, so I'm thinking it might be a V6. But you know, man, it's all good. So yeah, they finna come through, man. We just getting in position for this video shoot right now. I say, man, I was just doing this right here, man. Like I said, I show love. You know what I'm saying? Anybody like out here doing anything good. They got a food truck out here and everything. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I don't get no food, man. It's already past. Like I said, like it's almost 7 o'clock. I gotta go to work in the morning. Like I said, I was just coming out here just to show love, man. You know what I'm saying? If you watching my videos, man, you watch my channel, man. Go ahead, follow him on Instagram, man. He's an up and coming artist out of Dallas. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, a food truck right there. Yeah, man. I see a little video shoot with the lights out here and everything. You know what I'm saying? Family members out here, you know, supporting a young man out here doing something good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Who knows? Who knows what his family situation may be? You know what I'm saying? He might be trying to be the first millionaire in his family, whatever. You know what I'm saying? All it takes is one person, man, to change the family, man. For real. All it takes is one. So he got his grandmama, aunties, cousins, everybody here. Got security over there at the table over there. They strapped. Don't play with them. They got big guns. They got big guns over there. So it ain't gonna really. I'm not gonna really do an outro to this video. You know what I'm saying? What you doing, Challenger? So I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna really do an outro to this video. So when the video go off, it's just gonna go off. You're just gonna see my car at the end smashing out. Oh yeah, man. I'll see what's going on. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take cut. Cut. It's behind the scenes of the video, man. So y'all get this right here, probably. Yeah, they forgot to put that fire out right there. That's what I was telling him. That's what I was telling him last time. He was telling me, man, come on, go out. I said, nah, bro, it's a fire going right there. Y'all gotta put that out. Old school right there. He came up, he saw the car. He like, man, that son bitch clean, that boy. Oh man. He only still talking about it right now. I'm still talking about it right now. Gotta love the old people, man. We almost here. Finito, that's the name of the song, man. That video that we're doing right now, Finito. So they had already. So the one that I showed in the beginning, where you see everybody standing around, you know what I'm saying? That was the one-time video. That was, I think that's the single to the album. Just go on YouTube, man. Jahani, man, or type in Jahani one time, it'll pop up. I see it, man. All the family members out there supporting the young man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. He got a strong backbone. Yes, sir. Cameraman back there working. Yes, sir. Like I said, I ain't gonna make this video too long, man. Like I said, I'm just showing support, man. Just letting y'all know, man, what I be doing in the city, man. You know what I'm saying? This ain't my city, man, but I've been out here for a while now, in my well, so this is my home, Texas. Food truck over there in case you want something to eat. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Behind the scenes. That's the guy right there, Jahani. One time, man. Follow him on Instagram, man. Young up and coming artist out of Dallas, bro. So yeah, that is his mama.
I got it.
He's gonna be with.
Security got that thing. Security got that thing. Security got that thing. Security got that thing. You got a bag on to catch his shells? You got a bag on that thing to catch his shells. Security on the strap. I don't know what that 223 or what. Go ahead and tell everybody, man. Go ahead and do it. Goddamn, you know you going on the 2.
What's going on? Big one time, you feel me? Big one time, your whole mom, my boy Drake came and showed love, you feel me? That boy ride clean, you feel me? Go ahead, subscribe, you know what I'm saying?
Yes,
comment,
sir.
like, all that, you
Yes,
feel me?
sir.
He popping this shit, I'm popping my shit, I appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, already, brother. Nothing but love, man. Like I said,
sir, yes,
any
sir.
kind of young man trying to do any kind of positive in the community, man.
Yes,
That's
sir.
for the city. I'm putting on for you, brother.
Yes,
so,
sir.
y'all make sure y'all give him a follow on
One
Instagram.
time, man.
Just honey one time. All right.
So,
Got that.
love.